Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic charting on the cTrader mobile platform. When you first open the app, you will see the last watch list you viewed. If you tap any symbol, you will see a mini order ticket and a mini chart. The mini chart will display price action, open positions, and the chart's indicators. The only configuration available on this chart is that of the time frame, and these can be set by tapping here. Tap the three-dot menu icon and an incredible array of standard time frames, ticks, Renko bars, range bars, and Heikin-Ashi are available. To access a larger, fully functioning chart, tap the Expand button. cTrader Mobile can be viewed vertically or horizontally. Moving two fingers on the screen, side to side, will allow you to zoom in and zoom out. Moving two fingers on the screen, top to bottom, will allow you to zoom in and zoom out in that direction. You may also change time frames here. Price action may be displayed as a bar chart, a candlestick chart, a dot chart, a line chart, or an area chart. A vast array of indicators is available, and tapping the search field will reveal the categories and recently used indicators. More detailed information on cTrader indicators will be covered in other videos. Tapping the three-dot menu icon displays the active indicators. From here, you may delete or configure any indicator. Tap on the arrow, and all parameters and colors will be available to set. Tap plus Add Indicator, and you may do just that. If you have any open positions or pending orders on this symbol, you may modify them on cTrader Mobile. Tapping on the clipboard icon will display a mini order ticket, and we will look at trading in other videos as well. A huge gamma of graphics are also available, like lines, channels, shapes, arrays, and text. For example, select the trend line, tap the starting point on your chart, and drag to complete the line. Tap the pencil icon to edit the style, color, and line thickness. We will look into graphics in much more detail in other videos. Finally, tap the crosshair icon, and you may move the crosshairs around the chart with your finger. Tap the delta icon and another appears, letting you measure both axes between 2 points. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.